Hey guys, I'm Rashi Salvi, and in this video I'm going to show an easy multiplication trick that is only applicable with equal nines. So the sum which you can see here, 32 into 99. I ask you, in how many lines would you do this answer? Yeah, you all would say 1, 2 and 3, right? 3. But I have a very easy trick in which you can solve this answer in just one line, means the answer over here. Okay, so now let's start. 32 here you have, right? And these are the nines. You have to for now forget the nines. 3 and 2, 32, and you have to subtract it. 32 minus, every time subtracted by 1 only. 32 minus 1. Okay. Now 32 minus 1 is what? 31. Okay. So 3, 1. And here you have 9. Right. So and you have 3 and 1. And 9 over here. So you know that this will be equal 9 trick. Okay. So you have to subtract 3 by 9 or 9 by 3, 9 by 3. Okay, so the answer will be 9 minus 3 will be 6. So you got 6, means this is one answer which you got. 32 minus 1, so this is one answer, but now you got 6 also. So you will write 6 over here. Okay. So after you write 6 over here, what are you going to do is, now 1 also you have here, the answer which you got in this subtraction. Okay. So now this one we have to subtract 9 subtracted by 1. So the answer will be 8. Okay. Here will be 8 then. But in this answer 32 minus 1, did we get any more digit? No. These 2 digit, right? Only these 2. So now we have to not keep on subtracting this with 9, 9 with this. Then again we'll keep on going and going. But you got this answer for this subtraction, so you have to stop here only. So your answer is 3168. Okay, so let's check if our answer is correct. Okay, so see, 32 into 99, and here's your answer, 3168. Okay, so I'll give you one more example. 925 means 925. 925 multiplied by, these are how many digits? 1, 2 and 3, right? So multiplied by 9, 9 and 9. These are 3 digits, so 9 will be also 3 because equal 9s. Okay, so how to find this answer? You all would say like 925 subtracted by 1. Yeah. Okay, so what's the answer for this? 924. 9, 2 and 4. Now we get 924 after we subtract it by 1. Now we have to subtract 9 with 9, means 9 minus 9 we get 0. Okay, so this 0 we have to write here. Now 9 minus 2 for this thing. Okay, so 9 minus 2 is 7, right? Okay, so we write 7. Now the thing we have to do is, we have to subtract 9 by 4. So 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 we get 5, right? So Oh, yeah, here we have to write 7, and now we got 5. This 7 means 0, 7 and 5, and this 924 we got it by subtracting by 1. Okay, so our answer is 924075. So let's check if our answer is correct. Okay, wait. 925 multiplied by 999. Okay, so 924075. So isn't our answer correct? And wasn't this a great trick? So bye everyone. Thank you to watch my video, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye.